Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace one of your main drive wheels, either the left or the right side, because it's damaged or broken. The first thing we got to do, get yourself a 3/4 socket and a crescent wrench. Now there is a nut on the back side. And go ahead and loosen the bolt. Now that we have the machine jacked up, we're going to take this bolt out so we can drop the wheel. Wheel drops out just like that. And pull the wheel out. Take your new wheel, slide it back in, get your bolt and your nut, line it up. Okay, now we can lower the jack. Now with the jack lowered and the wheel on the table, you can go ahead and tighten the nut and bolt. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.